Yes, YouTube. Good morning and welcome back again. Sunday dumping time. You know, the thing is we lost the 786 on the daily, but we bounced on fair value gap, and you can see now that the 50-minute becomes bullish again. And if you want to become bullish on the higher time frames, the smaller time frames need to become bullish again, right? The thing is now we have a bullish divergence on the 4-hour time frame. We had one before on the 1 hour. We swept up, as I told you guys in my previous video, to the 618. We didn't as I flip it. We came more down for sell side liquidity, and now we have a bullish divergence on the 4-hour. You know, the thing is we still lost the 786 on the daily time frame. I show you later on in this video which level I mean, and we have to see what's happening now. You know, we're entering week 4 of June, and you know, last week was a little bit shitty to trade actually. You know, up down, a lot of manipulation actually, and you know, we have to see what's happening the coming week. We become bullish now on the lower time frame, so I want to show you guys some critical levels now, and I also want to show you guys what you can expect for the coming week. Let's start first with smash up the like buttons and subscribe to my channel, so this video will push up more into the algorithm, right? So guys, with that said, let's go to the chart. So as you guys can see now, we're watching at BTC to USDT again, and what I told you guys is that we lost this 786, 103.4k. Usually what you want to see after a retracement on the 786 is that you become bullish again, right? Once you lose the 786, you lose bullish order flow actually. The thing is now, we're still in a premium market on the weekly time frame. So there's a possibility that they create max fear to eventually come up again, right? The thing is, when you go to the 4-hour time frame, we also have this sneaky swing low, and you can see that we're retracing the 618. So there's still a little bit bullish order flow now at the moment. If you go to the 15-minute time frame, you can see that we had a strong bullish divergence on the 15. That's why we came up now. We bounced on fair value gap and we found support on the 618. We retraced the 618 on the 15-minute time frame. That means that you have bullish order flow again. That means also that you can see that bullish patterns playing out now, like this inverted head and shoulders. So this should be a nice entry for a long position actually for this week. You know, if you go low leverage and you want to trade low leverage, go to the link in the description, join our trading group for free, and you can just open a market order at this level to go long, right? Put your stop loss underneath this wick here, because if we lose this divergence, most likely we will fill up this fair value gap here on the daily time frame. Right, there's also liquidity underneath this wick if you check the order book, but for now we have bullish order flow again. So guys, get ready, you know, get ready, don't become too bearish now. The thing is always they create max fear to eventually go back up again, right? So quick update on Sunday actually. You know, if you want to follow this trade with me, go to the link in the description, join the Crypto Gainers free Discord, and once you sign up and we received your information, we will give you free access to the premium Discord, where you can learn everything about trading, risk management, psychology, everything you need to become profitable in trading actually, and it's completely for free. So guys, quick update on BTC, you know, max fear on the daily. We're retracing the 618 after a bounce on fair value gap and liquidity sweep underneath this wick here. So again, you know, if we lose this level, then it's over actually. If we lose this level, it's over. We fill up this gap, and most likely we will trace the 786 here. 97.7k, but for now we're still bullish. So guys, with that said, I thank you all for watching. Again, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and you know, if you want to learn trading, go to the link in the description. Stay safe, make profits, and God bless you all. See you in my next video.